Journal on a photo. Journal on a photo. I journal. Do you journal? Do you journal on your photos? I journal on my photos. Now see, everybody's talking about journaling on their photos, and for good reason. It looks cool. But you ever have one of those photos that no matter what you do, no color stands out well enough? You know what I mean. The photo has both light and dark colors, so every color somehow disappears into the photo at some point. What's a digital scrapbooker to do? Here's what you do. You put up a smoke screen, and here is how you do it. Select the horizontal type tool from the Tools panel. Create a text box and type the text over said photo in whatever color and font and size that you want to use. Target the layer directly underneath your text in the Layers panel, so everything that happens next will be under your text layer. Select the Shape tool and pick a shape. Now for my example, the best shape is going to be the rectangle shape tool, but this trick will work for any shape that you want to use. Now draw your shape. Have it overlap or expand past your text so it's on top of your photo. Change the color of your shape to black. Next, reduce your opacity in the Layers panel so your text becomes legible while the photo is still visible underneath. That way, the text pops out from the background. Fine-tune your text, add any extra borders or stylings that you want, and you're good to go.